Every system has limits. Not political limits, not economic limits, physical limits. Earth has absorbed human pressure for thousands of years, but recovery time is no longer keeping pace with damage rate. That imbalance defines a closing window. Restoration only works while feedback systems remain intact. Forests regulate rainfall, oceans regulate temperature, soils regulate food systems. When those feedback loops weaken, repair slows, even if effort increases. This is why timing matters more than intent. Late action costs exponentially more and delivers diminishing results. At certain thresholds, systems flip. Rainforests become savannas. Ice sheets lose structural integrity. Soils lose biological memory. After that point, restoration is no longer restoration. It becomes engineering without biological support. That is not recovery. That is survival under constraint. The last window exists because Earth is still functioning. Barely. Water cycles still operate. Carbon sinks still absorb. Biodiversity still performs services. But those services are degrading. Every year of delay narrows the solution space. Not because humanity lacks tools, but because biology does not negotiate. Earth does not respond to promises. It responds to action. The last window is defined by remaining elasticity. Once elasticity is gone, collapse accelerates. This is why restoration must begin before certainty. Waiting for perfect agreement guarantees failure. Civilizations that survive act early. Not when evidence is overwhelming, but when risk is clear. This is that moment.